How to copy data from PDF to Excel table. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your docs. Now go to File, go to Open, and now open your PDF document. After opening, what you will have to do is copy the table. Simply select all the table like this and then right click on it. Then you will get an option of copy. Now head over to your Google Sheets or your Excel. Now what you will have to do is right click again and you will find an option of paste. Paste it and here you go. The data from your docs or your PDF is now copied in your Google spreadsheet without any fault. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next.